E-commerce training typically covers the skills, tools, and strategies needed to run an online store or sell products, services over the internet. Here's a structured outline you can use as a roadmap. 1. Foundations of e-commerce understanding. E-commerce models. B2C, business to consumer. B2B, business to business. C2C, consumer to consumer. D2C, direct to consumer. Key trends in online selling, mobile commerce. Social media selling marketplaces, Amazon, eBay, Etsy. Subscription models 2. Setting up an online store platform. Selection Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, BigCommerce marketplace selling, Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, domain and hosting basics, design and branding principles for e-commerce, product photography and descriptions that sell. 3. Product management. How to find winning products, market research, trend analysis. Inventory management, pricing strategies, supplier management and drop shipping options. 4. Payments and logistics, setting up payment gateways, PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, shipping options, couriers and fulfillment strategies, returns and refund policies. 5. Digital marketing for e-commerce, SEO for product pages, social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok ads, email, marketing automation, influencer marketing, paid ads, Google ads, Meta ads, retargeting and remarketing. 6. Customer service and retention, handling queries and complaints, live chat and AI chatbots, loyalty programs and upselling, building customer reviews and trust. 7. Analytics, optimization, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, conversion rate, optimization, CROAB, testing for product pages, understanding sales funnels. 8. Legal compliance, data privacy, GDPR, local laws, terms and conditions, taxes for online sales. 9. Scaling your store, expanding to international markets, outsourcing fulfillment, e.g., Amazon FBA, building a team, VA, marketing, operations. If you want, I can design a full 4 to 6 week e-commerce training curriculum with step-by-step lessons, assignments, and tools, so it's easy to follow and practical. That way you can go from beginner to fully launching and marketing your online store.